Back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Janitor AI not working. So guys, to fix your Janitor AI loading or connection error, so first of all, the first step is you try refresh your page. So guys, simple refresh also fix this issue. For refreshing, simply use this button. Even you right click on your computer and simply reload it. Okay, another thing is guys, you check your internet connection. Sometimes the slow internet also creates such type of issue, so make sure you have the good and the fast internet connection. Still having the issue, so if it is show 4 to 9 error, so guys, second thing is guys, switch model. If you are using the free or the custom proxy that is throwing the rate limit error, so you temporarily switch to the native LLM models or alternative endpoint to see if the error is clear or not. Okay, another thing is guys, you resave the API setting, open your chat, configure and confirm the setting show as active, hit the save setting even unchanged and click the option of test. Also clear the site cookies. Sometimes the local cookies data creates such type of issues, so you need to clear your cookies. For this, simply go to your profile and after that go to your browser profile, then go for the option of history. In the history, here you see the option of open history page, then click browsing data and here you choose your cookies and other site, then delete from the device. So this is the simple way that you can do, and these are the methods that you try to fix. And guys, last thing is guys, you simply close your browser and restart your browser where you use your AI. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.